whenever you're ready. Oops.
So the weather is warming up. The trees are turning green, the birds are chirping, which means many of us are starting to get that spring itch. If you're like me, I'm tired of booking all the ordinary, boring vacations. If you're ready for something new, you should rent an RV from Beckley's RVs, because I'm confident that this will offer you memories that will last a lifetime. Let's go take a look. Growing up, my family and I used to love our trips down to the beach inside of our RV. In fact, today, still around the dinner table, we laugh and joke about all the memories that we used to have. Now today, I don't get to do it as much because I'm busy helping out people just like you, but for those of you that don't own an RV, renting one can give you all the benefits of owning one without the cost nor the maintenance. But the first question everybody always asks me is, well, Justin, I don't know if I can drive something that large. Well, of course you can, and that's because they have every safety feature in here that you could imagine. It's got active lane keeping assist, so it'll keep you in the lane. If you fly up on somebody too fast, it'll automatically brake for you. And my favorite part, this thing has a camera all the way around it. I'm talking blind spot assist on both the left and also the right. And my favorite piece is you even have an active backup camera that stays on all the time. Now, we're in an RV, which means we're gonna be listening to some music, so we're gonna have our Android Auto and our Apple CarPlay, so we can bump our favorite tunes while we're cruising down the open highway. The adventure starts when you get inside of the RV, not when you show up to the destination. Imagine mom, dad, maybe you got grandma and grandpa, you got your grandkids back here. Everyone has a nice comfortable spot to sit at while you're cruising down the open road. And by the way, they even have seat belts all the way around. I've got 2 seat belts here, 1 in front of me, and there's even 2 over here on the sofa. Now, I love the fact in this model that you have windows on both sides. So if you see any sights to see, you can point them out and the kids won't be able to miss anything. Wouldn't that be nice when you guys are cruising down the road? So the best part about traveling down the road in an RV is the flexibility you have to get up and move around. Of course, use caution as necessary. Maybe I gotta get up and use the bathroom. Well, I unbuckle my seatbelt, slide back here, and I can do exactly that. So after I'm out of the restroom, Dad's up front. He's like, hey son, can you give me something to drink while you're up? No problem, Dad. Open up the refrigerator, grab myself a drink, and we'll throw it up to him. So you get to your destination, whether that's at the beach, maybe it's up camping someplace with all the mountains and the trees surrounded by it, or simply you're renting this just so you can end up taking it tailgating with you and a bunch of friends. I mean, the possibilities with this are endless because it can be driven anywhere. Now, my favorite part about camping is sometimes it's just a great way to disconnect. If you got your kids or your family, tell them no cell phones, no iPads, nothing but quality time with friends and family. That is actually camping. So if you get to the campground, you're ready to set up camp, the first thing I would do is run out this massive awning to keep that harsh sun off of my back. Now, if you want to work smarter, I would send the kids out in the campground their bicycles and let them go ride around while I set up maybe my camp chairs, my awning mats, maybe even my outside cooler. Now, I know after they've had a long day of fun, they're gonna be tired and everyone's ready for bed. So let's go inside and show you how everything makes up into one awesome sleeping area. So if you're looking to shake things up on your next vacation, or maybe you just simply have interest in buying an RV, but you don't want to quite take that plunge, well, come out to Beckley's RVs, rent one from us. We'll take awesome care of you. We'll even show you how to operate every single feature and function inside of here so you can know what you're doing when you show up at the campsite. As always, be sure to give us a like, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment down below. We hope to see you guys at Beckley's RVs.